So, today we're doing another Randonautica search. We don't have much time. We have to be really quick because we have to be back by 8:15 currently. What time is it?
It is 7:56.
7:56.
Let's go.
So yeah, we gotta like run there.
No.
8 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, I have heartburn. Okay, slow down. I have heartburn from
Probably should have
the last
stopped.
video.
Probably should have stopped right here.
The best place to stop.
A psycho house. Okay. Seven minutes. We'll get here at 8:04. 8:04. 8:04. I don't know why I keep saying numbers.
So we're almost there now.
4 minutes left.
We're tired because we just like sprinted. Oh wait, look, money. Nice. To go to there again.
Yeah.
If you comment and want us to go to the abandoned house again, we'll go to there. You hear that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we are here now.
Guys, look at the Stevens.
Stevens.
If you guys act like we're supposed to be here, we are supposed to be here.
Is it that way? Let's go this way.
What is that?
That looks like a huge beehive or something.
What is that?
What the heck? Is that part of the tree?
Yeah, I think it is.
That's crazy. That's like your nose. Look at it.
Wait, okay. Wait, is that a train? Or is it a driveway?
I think it's a driveway. Is it a driveway?
Yeah. This way. So, make it easier and just walk on this.
You hear that? Yeah. I think that was a bird though.
Okay.
Look at all that.
No, it's this way.
Look at all that wood.
Yeah, it's this way. Right? You gotta keep going though.
That scared me.
Wait. No, it's this way. It's a lot.
That's all right.
Yeah.
It says our destination is on the right.
This way. No, it's this way.
You hear that? You sure? It is? We're probably gonna end up running
way.
out of here.
We're here. We're here. So the intent, remember, guys, was Scientology. That's distant. Okay. Pretty distant.
That sounds pretty close.
Actually, yeah, it is. I think we should get out here. Oh, no trespassing. That's the house.
That guy was just at our house.
Dude. Wait, it's 8:05. I'm back. What? Dude.
I'm cutting to when we are safe. Okay, so now that we're in a safer place with no dogs chasing us, we move on.
Wait a minute. Think about it.
What?
Remember when we got like the guy with the black dog?
Yeah.
And the two dogs were chasing us?
Yeah?
You said it was a big black dog, right?
Yeah, I think I have a little bit on the camera. I'm not sure. I just like showed at it and then ran.
What if that is? That
and it was
the same
running
dog.
towards us too. For sure.
That was really, really.
I don't know why I stopped.
That's
Maybe
really, like-
electric fences.
Oh my god, I saw like a black shadow run across there.
You know what's funny?
What?
I saw like a black,
Guy.
no black thing, just black shadow just standing there. All right, this is the end of this video. I know it's a short one because we would have stayed there longer if there wasn't a dog
how about-
chasing us.
Oh,
So-
so wait, what is that? How about we end on a missing cat photo again?
Yeah, like the good old days. Okay, I can't show that. You're gonna have to blur
Yeah,
that
I will.
out. So there's the missing cat, and we're ending it because we can.
But this,
Bonus clip.
you know what's weird? This keeps
Funny.
happening.